Hello and welcome. You will learn what is back pain breakthrough and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, what about benefits and side effects. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Back Pain Breakthrough is the natural solution to eliminating back pain once and for all. It's an online program that takes you through a 6-series masterclass and 2 written manuals that teach you how to realign your spine to eliminate the pain permanently in as little as 30 days. You can even start to experience relief in the first week. The entire system is 100% natural and safe and focuses on using your body and specific techniques to readjust your back. Many prestigious doctors and establishments, such as Washington University School of Medicine, have started to implement the approach found in this program into their own practices due to it being so effective. There are no magic pills, fancy lotion, expensive appointments, or any of that. So, if you're ready to regain control of your life by taking care of that back pain for good, here's what you can expect from Back Pain Breakthrough. What is back pain breakthrough? Many modern-day medicines only mask the pain instead of treating the real issue that is causing you such discomfort. So, put down the expensive pain relief medications, fancy creams and lotions, and stop forking over a fortune for expensive therapy sessions. Back Pain Breakthrough brings the therapeutic movements right to your home, with a comprehensive system that teaches you a series of movements that realign your spine to relieve your pain. The system is provided to you by a joint and back pain specialist who runs his own private practice to help people regain control of their health and life by eliminating their pain naturally and safely. He is highly sought after due to his unique and natural approach, and more importantly, how effective it is. You only need a couple minutes each day to complete the video series and movements. The longest video is 22 minutes, and you can start to experience pain relief in as little as 7 days. Your pain can be permanently eliminated in as little as 30 days, and Back Pain Breakthrough even provides you with action plans and step-by-step instructions on doing just that. The program is broken down into various components to ensure easy and enjoyable progress and great results. This includes 6-part video masterclass, Target Spinal Release Manual, Accelerated Healing Techniques ebook, Back Pain Breakthroughs download page, Back Pain Breakthroughs download page. You receive immediate access to all of this as soon as you purchase, and since it's online, you can go in and download the content onto your computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. To save space on your device, you can watch the videos online without downloading, but I certainly recommend downloading what you can onto your tech devices, as it allows you to have the help and pain relief you need wherever you go. Now, if you still aren't sure that a specific series of techniques can realign your spine and eliminate your back pain for good, you get 2 months to try Back Pain Breakthrough with the 60-day money-back guarantee. Add in the fact that it's 100% natural and safe, you have nothing to lose. Just think, in as little as 7 days you can start to experience relief that leads to permanent relief in as little as 30 days. Overview of the Back Pain Breakthrough Program. Back Pain Breakthrough is a comprehensive system made up of gentle movements that realign your spine to eliminate your pain and discomfort. The 6-series masterclass videos show you how to do the movements step by step to ensure you know exactly what you need to do to maximize the benefits of the movements. All of the videos are also broken down into different sections that allow you to click exactly where you want to go if you don't want to or have time to watch the entire video. Though, it is highly recommended to complete the 6 video masterclass videos from start to finish, and they only require about half an hour of your time, at most. The written manuals are great to have for extra information, and they include step-by-step action plans and breakdowns of additional healing techniques to help you harness the full potential of the program. Here are some of the topics and techniques covered throughout the system. 6 video series masterclass. The real cause of your back pain. The target spinal relief. How to fix the pain instantly. The Warrior Method. Life hacks for a pain-free life. Muscular imbalances, easy solutions. Plus your action steps for success. Targeted spinal release. How to use this manual. The secret cause of your back pain. The 30-day action plan. My 30-day calendar. Movement 1, the Peaceful Warrior. Movement 2, Awakened Warrior. Movement 3, Strong Warrior. Advanced healing techniques. How to sit for a strong, healthy back. How to fix your computer setup. Lifting. Golfer's tilt. Lunges. Types of back pain and imbalances. How to know if you have a disc bulging. How to treat stenosis. Fixing muscular imbalances. Imbalanced piriformis and how to stretch it. Acute or chronic pain and how to relieve it. Natural anti-inflammatory daily drink. You also receive a free bonus, which is the best-selling anti-aging workout DVD, 5 Minutes to Look Younger. It was created by Dr. Kareem Samouri, and he provides you with simple anti-aging movements that can help you look and feel younger. How does the Back Pain Breakthrough Program works? This program straightens the spine and gives you an attractive posture. It removes the discomfort and provides a new energy level to your body. This system goes to depth and targets the root cause of pain. Once you eradicate the root cause, back pain will never return. Spine pressure is another reason for back pain. This program helps to remove that pressure and deliver strength. You will gain a step-by-step pattern that you have to follow if you want results. Without performing the task giving the guide, you will not get any outcome. It provides effective hormones that also make your body pain-free. You can consume the information in the program without any concern because of highly professional doctors and specialists back it. The program involves body movement that only demands 5 to 10 minutes per day. These body movements are easy and that everyone can apply it without much effort. Even if you are old, you can still use it. What comes with the Back Pain Breakthrough? This pain solution carries much useful information that you will love to acquire. Below are some of those features. You will get a targeted spinal release bonus with this program. It is a manual that shows the method of releasing pressure from your spine. However, it is a detailed step-by-step guide that you need to look at to get relief. It will help you in overcoming even the worst pain. You will get more strength and energy after using the program. The program delivers a stable answer to spine pain. The program includes the Advanced Healing Techniques bonus in it. This technique will show you the process of customizing all the information that works for you. This customization will help you in achieving the desired result quickly and easily. You will additionally learn a new bracing strategy that shows the method of preventing spine injury. It will present you with the technique of adding more power to your spine. You will get instant access to 6 video files that you can view anytime. These videos are going to show you how to overcome back pain by giving 10 minutes per day. The program doesn't demand you to visit any doctor or spine specialist because you can get the best and permanent solution through its guide. About Steve Young, creator of Back Pain Breakthrough. Steve Young is the creator of this program. He has his PhD in the science of joint pain, runs his own private practice, and is highly sought after for his natural and unique approach to healing back pain. Because of this, he has appeared on major media outlets such as Fox News, and he has also contributed to several medical research journals. Many prestigious doctors and establishments, such as Washington University School of Medicine, have also started to implement Steve's approach to eliminating back pain into their own practice. Frequently asked questions. Why should I buy Back Pain Breakthrough? The reason that you should pick the Breakthrough program is that it does not include any harmful pills or other supplements. I don't have enough time. Can I still choose this program? This program is not going to take a lot of your time. You only have to spend 10 minutes on applying all the methods listed in the program. These 10 minutes per day are going to grant you a pain-free life. I think 10 minutes is not a big deal and you can easily spare this time to use this program. Pros. This guide provides an immediate and effective solution to back pain. The program will give relief from stress and allow you to live a pain-free life. It will align your spine and give you a better posture. The program presents entrance to a permanent solution. It abolishes all the pressure from the spine. This guide is easy to follow. Cons. You can only access it online. It's not a physical product. Conclusion. Back Pain Breakthrough is a comprehensive system that teaches you the natural approach to tackling your back pain through a series of movements that realign your spine. It is extremely easy to do, and just as effective, and it gives you the opportunity to completely eliminate your back pain in as little as 30 days. The system is taught to you by a doctor, so you can trust that the methods taught to you are safe and proper movements that can make a huge difference in your life. You even get 2 months to try it out with the 60-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your back pain breakthrough today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.